Okay, here we go. Came out to a recovery job. A good customer of ours. Both of our trucks burned down, so we're gonna be taking them out of here and clean out the site.
You don't have leather gloves?
Well, just for now, just grab those.
Drag that with the forklift?
Yeah. Well, it doesn't matter. Well, I have my cables out. Let's just
my $200 boots.
Oh shit. Were you able to pull the kingpin out there?
I didn't get the thing lowered because the handle was all like sooty.
Okay, let's try it here. Oh, good. Yep, I was worried about that.
Grade 70, 8.5-inch grade 8. You have one?
Marco,
what?
All we're doing is just pulling it forward.
I know, and they're moving this. I know, that's all. You think you're pulling it forward, but we're going to be actually lifting it up. And here's the other thing about using a smaller chain. It gets wedged in easier. Do you have a 1/2 inch? He's easy going. I'm not the boss, but I'm not being a dick. I'm just telling you. He's coming with the forklift right now.
Oh, he is?
See, it had one. Do me one favor though, Dennis, hold on. And you'll knock that off, and I'll tell you what. Actually, bring it to the side first. We'll knock that off. I don't want that blowing down the highway. We're going to use her tarps to tarp this shit down.
Should be good now.
That's right. And you see that color, the looks straight on her. You know how I might have sold them that. That might be great for another change. Can't trust them unless they say God. Look at the
Huh? Yeah, I know. We're not gonna have. There you go. Oh, that's like. Oh.
I'm gonna have to get another chain, that's all.
Well, why don't we just put it to the bottom?
I was thinking about going through here. Just going around the frame instead of the axle.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
No. What do you mean?
Drop it through here, come out, hook, do the same thing on the other side, and you're around the.
Well, then you'll be pulling all this. You know, a lot of stuff's gonna start crushing. You know. Instead, I was saying maybe just put one another chain right there, and we'll just V it and done.
Yeah.
Think about these trucks when they get burnt up like that. I hate all the cleanup. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You just really get messy with type of job like that. All right, all we gotta do now is just pull it. Hey, Marco. Hey, get back to work. Let's see what it's gonna do.
You might want to drop your spades.
What's that?
You might want to drop your spades.
Yeah, you want to go ahead and dump these. I forgot the suspension either. Go ahead and do the spades meanwhile. Oh, I wouldn't worry about that so much. I would just put the outriggers down.
Oh, you just want
That might just be enough. Whenever you're ready.
Oh, wow. Go ahead. Your free spooled on the.
They're all down.
Still free spooled.
Go back out a little bit. That's weird. Let me check the other side out. Hold 1 second. Try again. Go ahead. Oh, look at the forks on that thing. Look how wide they went.
I know.
Look at that. That's gonna really,
That's gonna be flying
all over that highway, and then our Lindell's gonna be really messy.
Nasty.
Yeah, look at all that. That fiberglass is nasty. So it wants to go that direction. It's all good.
It'll pull.
It'll pull, yeah, where it needs to be, yep. I think go a little bit more, and then I'll probably put the steer axle onto the back of the upper deck, and then so we can probably get this one loaded up as well onto the
Lower deck.
lower deck.
Yeah. Yeah, because this is the lowest one.
Yeah. Okay. Marco, are we good right here? So let's go ahead and get, unless he wants me to pull a little bit more, because what you'll do is, once I move out the way, what you'll do is go ahead and back up with the Lindell. Well, once he picks it up, just back up all the way. Well, you want to go a little bit more?
I can back the Landau up and stick the Landau right there and pull it on with the winch.
Well, no, we don't want to use the winch. We're going to have him pick it up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, here's the thing. If you want, Marco, I can go more if you
I
want.
know, but then you got to back up straight.
Oh, he's going to have to go around, too.
I like what he said, so let's listen to Larry. Larry, since this is low in the front, do you want this to go on the top deck?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to hook this, put the Landau here. Turn around on the boom out.
Well, you don't need to turn it out. All he's going to have to do is just come around here.
No.
And he'll pick it up and
put, unhook this.
Okay.
Put the Landau here,
Okay.
and we'll come over there and we'll lift it up and he can back underneath it. We might not even have to tilt the record.
Okay, let's do it.
You know, because you could probably run a chain from here over to there and just lift
Well,
the whole thing
why
up.
don't we keep the chains then? Let's keep the chains.
I didn't say unhook it, I just said unhook it. Tow
Yeah.
truck.
All right.
Yeah.
I was going to say, dude.
I've been doing this 40 years, so please don't
One thing about Marco you should know, Larry. You should know.
He's a dick.
I'd go ahead and catch one of them cross members and tie it into that, and we'll just shoot the boom out and lift it up.
Cake?
Yeah, okay.
Where
So
you
switch
been at?
places. All right.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Pull your
You got any tarps? You got any tarps? Yeah, tarps.
white. Watch plenty. You're plenty out far enough.
Well, I'm gonna pick it up yet, so we can center it.
Any blue?
Okay.
Oh, stop. Winch out a little bit. You got the one hooked on stuff?
Yeah, should be good. Yeah.
Oh, it's not hooked all the way. There we go.
Should we shorten it a little bit?
I don't think we need to shorten it too much. I want it to be up pretty good.
Let's just see what happens. Because ultimately it's gonna center itself.
Hold on, stop. I see what happened.
Oh, it came off?
Yeah. All right. Get a little bit of pressure on this one.
Watch yourself, okay? Hold 1 second, let me just make sure.
The light's still on. There it goes.
You ready?
Blew up. I want the front higher than the back.
Yep.
Go ahead.
That should be good, I think. That fucking oil pan, that's fucking oil pan.
Yeah,
I think
You want to lift it a little higher.
Yep.
You think the space will be needed? Put some blocks.
blocks,
under the
that's what I was
tires.
thinking. Maybe some of them blocks right there we can maybe use.
And then that way that oil pan won't hit the thing, because if it does hit it, you're going to have oil everywhere.
Yeah, we can have room to put the other one on.
I think so.
Well, why don't we go another, I mean, we can go another, what, 5 feet? Oh, wait, we're gonna be over the,
No.
that's where our chains and everything is.
Oh, you mean put it past the winch?
How are we doing on the passenger side?
How are we on that side over there?
Maybe a few inches. But the only thing is I don't want to put too much veer angle on it. You know what I mean?
Don't try to spin it. All right, white down. All right, down. White down. I know you can't.
Load it back.
All right.
Yeah, white's loose.
I have it. Put it down.
Oh, and we got that cable also. Can you freeze pull the cable?
Yeah.
On that cable, can you freeze pull that?
Yep. Let me tell you which one.
It's gonna be a mess if that oil. I mean, if we get punctured oil pan, it's gonna be a damn mess. See if you can put the cable around the. You won't do that. Let me. Oh shit! Sorry. Let me turn the PTO on, and then we'll.
Yep.
What a mess. You ready? All right, can you push down the cable? There you go. There you go. That's it. That's all we need. Yep, that's it.
Spool out with the cable a little bit.
What's that? I'd leave it. I'd leave it as is. Let's just get a, let me pull a little bit more. Hold on a second. All right, blue one, okay. You want the blue one? You want me to pull the blue one? Ah. Okay. Let me get up there. I'll just boom up and boom in, you know what I mean? Alright, watch me, okay?
Should have had the legs extended out too. Whenever you got on the 3 stages, since you have that, you ought to. Because anything can turn you over, you know what I mean?
Oh shit, you know what? You gotta pull.
And you're lucky I'm here.
So what the idea is, we're gonna take the rear suspension on this truck and literally set it on the back of this truck, on this back of that rear suspension. So
Yeah, let me get.
hey bud, yes sir.
Stick it on there.
Well, you think we're gonna have enough reach?
Yeah, I know you're gonna have.
It's gonna get messy. Oh my god. Okay. Look at all that. Ah. Oh, you got that one also? Okay. Get a good grip. Let's head back down. wish we had a little bit more.
What you ought to do is lift it up and cable it up and then boom down and it'll be right on place. Oh, that looks a lot different. Hey, you can back up underneath it further.
Can we try that now?
Well, you're not out far enough, right?
No.
You gotta go out.
Yeah.
I would,
you know what? Let
I
me
would
just
cable up.
Well, you know what? What I can do is this
There
way.
you go.
Stay back. God forbid if something happens.
That's good. Oh.
All right, come on back. I don't like this wind.
I think we get the tire over this hump. You're good. Or boom up.
I think the weight is on the other side.
Yeah, it is.
And I think we might have to pick it back up, and we gotta move it up this way.
Just chill out, please. Just get you out of your situation. Now boom down. Boom down. See, you've done that a couple times. It's almost like one of your cylinders is weaker than the other.
Well, it's not that. It's because
Maybe
we're,
load valve's
the
bad.
weight's on this side. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but I think you just drag it over. Make sure you're not too tall. You can always get the skid loader here. All that's superficial. Why don't you drop it and we'll drag it on a little more? And the good news, it ain't going to go nowhere. But I don't think it's too tall. I think if you come with the machine, you can knock it down. I mean, we got a forklift here too. That knock it down. Let's put it down and get your tow truck.
Can we do that?
We're going to do that. But I've asked you like an hour ago, is the dumpster and the skid loader on its way?
No, I don't have. I don't.
I don't
even think we need to. Probably, I don't think it's over 13 cents.
It ain't. Hold 1 second. Let me get the other side on hook. Marco, could you wait? Just wait 1 second. Go ahead. Go ahead. Now suck it back in. Yeah, there you go. Go ahead, keep going. All right. I'm a mess today, Marco. I hate this fucking job.
Don't take a chunk out of the back of your hair.
What's that? Oh, slow down.
No. Oh.
What are you trying to do? Why don't we?
You want to knock that off too? I think what I do is just drag it over. Hold on, you got 2 more strands. Pull that hook.
Marco.
I'm gonna knock the hood off of it. I swear I'd take the hood off. It's too much stuff. Hook onto that cable. Hook onto that hook. We'll pull the hood off.
Can we just cut that off?
And just pull it off.
How do you gotta pull it off?
Well, he's going to be here tarping and scraping. You're going to start to skid over.
Marco, watch yourself.
I am. I'm going to judge you. Go ahead.
That's good? What?
I think a little more because when you let it off, it's going to come back. Okay, that's probably it.
How's that?
Yeah. Go ahead and pull it out of the way. You know what? Why don't you tape chain the cable over here? You pull off and it's gone.
Or he could just use the cable and pull it.
Yeah. Wrap that cable you have in your hand with the chain that's over there around the hood. Pull forward. We'll drop the hood right here.
I don't think it's gonna do that.
I think it will. We're looking at it. It's going to break all these bolts right off and the metal's going to stay. Just wrap it around the hood. Fiberglass.
Okay, you wanna go ahead and do that?
Well, it's over there.
And you're right there. Because I don't think it's gonna do it, Marco. You ready? Watch yourself, okay?
Yeah.
Coming at you.
I go underneath.
It doesn't matter, I bobble down. See?
Alright, just don't take it too high.
What's that? See if we can belly it.
We're going to have to get an extension.
Okay, well, we got another one right here.
Do that with the customer.
What do you mean?
He's the guy paying the bill. It's right up on the main street. Just give me the tow truck. I'm hungry. I mean it. I'm hungry. I wash my hands too. I'm not an animal.
Okay, you go wash your hands. I'll be
No, I
here.
wash your hands at the restaurant. Larry, I'm
Okay, go ahead and get the under reach up and all that while I'm helping him with a few things. Come on. What are you? You said you know how to do all those. What's that? New school for you? Is that what it is? Okay, what are we gonna do here? So, I was gonna say if you wanted. Well, I guess we can do that also if you wanted.
Wrap my chain there. Then all I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the chain around the axle and come backwards.
Okay, so we're gonna just.
So that because right now I got both of those pulling this way.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There it is, that's it. That's it.
low, and he's all wore out. He needs new leaves. You see him on the golf cart?
No.
That's how. I mean, on the lawnmower, that's it. It's so hot.
Okay.
Where'd you put the rest of the binders at, boss?
They all should be on the other side. There should be some more in there.
In the truck?
Yeah,
Yeah.
on the trailer, in a box. And I got one more. I got a couple more in the tow truck we can use.
I need 1, 2, 3. We're going to need 3 binders. 3
Okay.
more binders besides
I think we'll be good. Thank you. I'll grab another chain from there.
Oh, yeah.